Hi everyone. Instagram message not sending. Let's fix it quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Step 2. Close Instagram completely and open it again. Step 3. Go to settings. Apps. Instagram. Storage and cache. Tap clear cache. Step 4. Update Instagram from the Play Store. Now go to the Play Store. Search for Update Instagram. Step 5. Log out and log back in your account. And that's it. Your Instagram message should be sending now. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more quick fixes.